Namaskar students and welcome. In this video, we are going to see 7 Maths, lesson number 10, Banks and Simple Interest part 3. So let's begin. We will continue with question number 3 of practice set 41 children. Javed deposited 12,000 rupees at 9 PCPA in a bank for some years and withdrew his interest every year. At the end of the period, he had received altogether 17,400 rupees. For how many years had he deposited his money? We have to find out the time. That is sure. This is going to be the principal, this will be the rate of interest, and this one seems to be the amount, children. So, we will find the time. Let's write the information first. And because amount is given, we will use the formula A is equal to P plus I also. And the other one. Principal P is rupees 12,000. Rate of interest R is 9 PCPA. Time T is question mark because it's given for some years. Amount A is equal to rupees 17,400. A is equal to P plus I. So children, this is A, this is P, and we don't know I. So we have written A as 17,400 and P as 12,000. Now we will shift this plus 12,000 to this side and it will become minus 12,000 because we want to find the value of I. How much is I? So children, 17,400 minus 12,000 is equal to I. I is equal to 5,400. Now we know I. So we are going to put the value of I here, and we know P, we know R, and we'll get the value of T. 5,400 is equal to 12,000 into 9 into T. 12,000 is P. R is 9 and these two zeros and these two zeros will get cancelled. See, now 5,400 is equal to 1080 into T and this 1080 is multiplied, so we'll shift it to the other side and it will be divided. 0 and 0 get cancelled. 540 upon 108 is 5 children. See, 5 is equal to T. Therefore, Javed had deposited his money for 5 years. See the rough work, children? 540 divided by 108 is 5. So now, this question is over. Let's move to the next one. Question number 4. Lataben borrowed some money from a bank at a rate of 10 PCPA interest for 2.5 years to start a cottage industry. If she paid 10,250 rupees as total interest, how much money had she borrowed? Okay, how much money she borrowed is not given, which means the principal is not given to us. We know the rate of interest, we know the time. We'll have to convert this time into improper fraction, children. This is mixed fraction and this is interest. It is given there. So let's write the information and start. Principal P is question mark. Rate of interest R is 10 PCPA. Time is 2.5 years. Time T is 2.5 years, which we will convert into 5 upon 2. See, that's the working, children. 2.5 years. 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. So it becomes 5 upon 2. Interest I is equal to 10,250. I is equal to P into R into T upon 100 because I is given to us. P we have to find R and T. this 5 will remain in the numerator and 2 will go in the denominator, children, along with 100. We have done this kind of sum. So 10,250, which is I, and P is not given, R is 10 and T is 5 upon 2. These are cancellations, children. See, 0, 0 gets cancelled first, this 0 and this 0. After that, 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. That's how we've got this cancellation. Now what is remaining, children? P is remaining and nothing here, only P, and down 2 and 2. 2 twos are 4 is remaining, P upon 4. So, to find the value of P, we will shift divided by 4 to other side of is equal to and it will become multiplied. So next step will be 10,250 into 4 is equal to P, which means P will be equal to 41,000 because 10250 into 4 is 41,000. Therefore, Lata Ben had borrowed rupees 41,000 from the bank. This sum is over, children. Now we will move to the next one. Those are the fill in the blanks kind of sums. See, you see this kind of question. So we will solve them one by one. First one, then second one, this way. So let's start. First one, this one. What is given? Principal P is 4,200. Rate of interest R is 7 PCPA. You can write percent PA also, children. Even that is correct. Time is also given as 3 years. We have to find these two. Interest I is equal to question mark. Amount A is equal to question mark. So A is equal to P plus I. If we want to find out amount, we definitely need this formula. A is equal to P plus I. And this one also, children. I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So P is 4200, R is 7 and T is 3 upon 100. These two zeros and these two zeros will get cancelled. See. And now what is remaining? 42 into 7 into 3. 42 into 21. 7 3s are 21. So that gives us 882 as the answer. So I is equal to 882. Now we know I, interest I. We will find out amount A also. A is equal to P plus I. 4200. This is the principal. Plus 8825082. That's your amount. Therefore, interest is equal to rupees 882 and amount is equal to rupees 5082. So, this sum is over. Thank you for watching till the end.